Hey everybody, Patty Ann here again today. I have a quick tutorial for you, something that I think you're really going to like if you have essentials, Embrilliance essentials. Remember yesterday when I showed you how to make this really cute key fob and I showed you how you could customize it for your dog or your friends' dogs, putting their names on them? Well, today I decided to do a bunch of them at once after Linda, one of my buddies, gave me a suggestion and a reminder, actually. And she reminded me about the color sort function. So if you have Embrilliance Essentials, you can do this. And let me show you how. I will go to Open, and I'm going to open the single dog bone one. This one right down at the very bottom here. Okay, and there it is. And I have on here my 5x7 hoop because I'm going to use my little machine again. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to twirl this around a little bit like that. And move it up so it's near the top, like that. Then I'm going to copy and paste it. So I'll come up here and copy and paste. I'm going to put another one here. I'm going to rotate this one using this little blue arrow or little blue circle button. I'm going to rotate that like that. I should be able to get 5 on here. And I'm going to come back up here and say paste. Paste another one right here. And paste another one. And I should be able to paste one more because I believe on the other one you're going to look at, you'll see I had 5. So I'll have to fiddle with this a little bit. So you don't have to watch me fiddling and make sure these all fit. Come over here and I'll show you. Here's where they all fit, right? And you can see I put their names on here already. So let's go back to that other one and pretend like these all fit perfectly and that I want to put their names on here now. However, before I put their names on this, I'm going to do the color sort function. Because right now, if you watch how this will stitch out by using the stitch simulator, you'll see that I'll have to use my green thread here, and then brown, and then black, and then blue. It'll start again, or light brown too should be there. Then the green, the brown, black, blue, and then the light brown right there, and so on. So every time it changes colors up here in the stitch simulator, I'm going to have to go ahead and change my thread color. The machine will stop. I'll change my thread color, start again. So you can see all these changes. So if I come up here instead and go to Utility and say to Color Sort, watch what's going to happen. It says it's color sorting it, and it says right here, the design page has been reduced by 20 color changes. So right now I want to look at the new view of it to see what it looks like. And now let's come up to the stitch simulator and see what it looks like. Check this out. There's one color change here, one here, 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 and here. And if I run through it, you can see it's going to do all the green placement stitches first, then the brown bones, then the black little paw prints, and then the blue, which is what goes on when I put the back piece of leather on, as you saw in yesterday's tutorial. But as I said, I want to put names in these too. So I'm going to come up here to this text tool, and I'll just put Roxy in here. Roxy is my dog. Oh, you know who I forgot, David? Daisy. Let's see, cap lock Roxy. Excuse me. And make that smaller, and then just bring it up here. Now make sure that you twirl it the right way. It's not going to be upside down in the dog bone. And then I'm going to go ahead and do Daisy. So I'll come up here again and type in Daisy over here and hit enter. Brings it in. I can squish it down some. And this is what I'm talking about. If I twirl this one the same way as I did the other one, look what's going to happen. It's going to be upside down in my dog bone. So I got to twirl it like this. And I can squish it up a little bit. Okay. And then I'm just going to copy and paste these so that you don't have to watch me doing all this. So I'll copy and paste. And I'm just pretending these are different names. And paste again. And this one again, I'll have to twirl around so it fits right on the bone. And then the last one, I can paste. And it comes here. So now this looks like it would be terrific. However, there is a problem if I leave it just like this. Let's look up here at the stitch simulator here, and we go through this. It's going to do all the ones that I wanted to do. Then it's going to stitch this blue up here, which is putting on the backing piece. Then it's going to do the holes, which is fine, but then it's going to do all the names. And I don't want it to do that. I want it to do the names before I put the backing on. So here's how I can fix that. I can just go ahead. Let's see, can I move this down a little bit? Yeah. Nope. I'm going to grab all these. Whoopsie. Grab all of these. And I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and just drag this up here above the blue and underneath the black and drop it. So now look what's going to happen in the stitch simulator. It's going to do all the greens, all the browns, black, whoopsie, and then whatever color I choose for the fonts, and then the blue backing, and then the little holes. So that's how easy it is. Now let me let you look one last time. Here's what it looked like before. Let's see. I went ahead and changed the color sort. See, I'm going to have a green color of thread, then the brown, then the black, then the blue, then the brown, and green, and so on. I'm going to have to keep changing my threads. Now, after I've done the color sort, even with names, it's like this: green, brown, black, lilac, or whatever color for your names, and then the blue for the backing. So that's it. Just remember, you go to Utility and Color Sort. All right, see y'all again soon. Hey, if you would like my videos, please give me a thumbs up. It helps people to be able to see more and more of my videos on YouTube. And also check out the links down below if you're in the market to buy something. I appreciate it when you use my links. Talk to you again soon. Bye. Hey, Linda, thanks for the tip. Bye.